Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Redesign 16. So this is where I post about beauty, fashion, and lifestyle every single day. For today's look, I wanted to show you my everyday, simple makeup look, what I would do off camera. But before we start that, please like this video, and please hit the subscribe button. So let's jump right into it. Hey everyone, so I wanted to hop on and do an everyday makeup look and show you what I wear off camera. It's very simple, very easy. So I'm going to start out with my skincare, and this is the Clinique moisturizer. This is the 100 hour. And I put this on every day in the morning, and it works amazing. So I will have a link down below that you can purchase all of the Synergens products that I'm going to be using. And if you spend $100 and you click that little link before you go to check out its preferred customer, I'll tell you at the very end how it all works, or in the video as I do my makeup. Then I take this e.l.f. hydrating face primer, and I apply that, especially in the winter time. Okay. Then hold that thought. No, don't hold that thought. Then I start out with my brows, and I just use an Old Spoolie with shadow scent in it. If you've been around for a while, you know that I like to do my brows in layers. So that is the first layer. Then I'm going to take my medium CCTM and some foundation, if I can find it. This is our Make Sense Almond Foundation. It is my shade. And then the foundation is a full coverage foundation. It's lightweight, not cakey. It is amazing, and a little bit goes a long ways. It has skincare in it, anti-aging, a ton of stuff. So I'm gonna take this and then take my Morphe brush, the one about the story time, and just start patting it in. I'm patting it in for a more airbrush look. So if you click on the link, it's going to take you to another page where then you will scroll down to shop now. So when you click on shop now, it's going to take you to all these bubbles. You click on, let's say for instance, face, because you want to get the CCTM or the foundation. The CCTM is a color correcting tinted moisturizer. It is amazing. It is a medium coverage, and it is amazing. All of our products are smudge proof, waterproof, water resistant, crease proof, smudge proof, kiss proof, vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, made in the US. So let's say you click, you want to get the foundation. So you click on that, you add it to the cart, and then you go to checkout. Right before, at the very bottom, right before, there is a little button that says preferred customer. You click that, you get 10% off all your purchases. If you spend $100, you get free shipping. If you spend $150, you get free shipping. Your or samples. You get samples with $100 too. And then you get a free gift with $150. And that's a way you can support me, but you have to click on preferred customer. And also, if Synergens is having a sale, let's say on foundation, for 15% off, if you sign up with my link and you click that preferred customer little box before you check out, you get an extra 10% off. So you will get a total of 25% off. So once this is all patted in, see, I have stuff left over, like a little bit goes a long ways. Okay. So now I put it down here to match my neck, and these are what the foundation and the CCTM comes in. The CCTM adjusts up to 3 shades, so I could go light, light, medium, and medium, and and if you don't think that you have the right shade, wait like a minute and a half and it will adjust to your face. If you would like to be color matched, that's what I'm here for. You can send me a direct message or on my Instagram page. There's a link in my about on YouTube. So that is all set. And then I usually go in with Candlelight Shadow Scents, and I totally forgot to put my mascara in my shirt to warm it up. So I take Candlelight. Candlelight Shadow Scents is a peachy undertone that cancels out any redness, any blues, any purples, any discoloration. And you can use it for multiple things on your face. It is an eyeshadow. It is a cream-based eyeshadow that turns from cream to powder after 60 to 90 seconds. You have 60 to 90 seconds to apply it before it sets into place. It is amazing. And I want to be able to find my brush. So hold that thought. Okay, so I found it. I used my Morphe M536 brush. This is amazing. Then I go in with our translucent powder. I usually use the translucent, but I cannot find it, and I'm actually in a hurry to get this done today because I have appointments. So I'm just taking the medium powder and covering it up. This, I'm definitely going to do a tutorial on it because I'm learning about it. And this powder is one thing away from being a liquid. So you might want to look for that because it's going to be coming up here. Put it on my list to do. I have like a little notebook, and I'm like writing things down and bringing them to you. So now I'm just going to do from the Ice Neutral collection that I got. I'm just going to do Iced Coffee, a one and done color. And if you're a beginner, I would just start with one eye and then go from there. But I've been doing this for like 4 years, and yesterday was 5 years since I had my channel. Like, amazing. So once, even though you have 60 to 90 seconds to apply it before it sets into place, I wait a couple of seconds so that it's not, I don't swipe it, because I like to pat it in. And going to use okay, to use my CCTM in the shade Deep for my contour today. So you don't need much of this at all. I've had this since like December last year, and that's how much stuff I've used. So one thing I want to add is, here's my brush. I love this brush. It's by Saucony Cash, the Target brand. And I just start applying it. Do you see that? And it's very easy and blendable to work with. And I'm going to do some up here and on my nose, down here. Okay, one thing I want to add about the eyeshadow is you kind of want a fluffy brush when you pat it in, and it might look really bright. Like this might look really bright in the tube, but once you apply it and you pat it out, you could add more. Once it is set up and dry to your liking, it is smudge-proof, crease-proof, waterproof, anti-aging, crease-proof, hydrating, layerable, buildable. There's so many good things about this shadow sense, and it has anti-aging and skincare in it. And as you're wearing it, it is actually helping your skin. So, okay, I could add more, but I don't think I'm going to. So now I'm going to go in with our black smudge proof and waterproof eyeliner. I'm just gonna do the bottom. And then I'm gonna kind of tightline on the top. Then I'm going to, I was going to do a lip tint color, but I don't think I have time for that. So I'm gonna go in with my lash primer. This stuff really helps grow your lashes over time. And then I'm gonna put some on the bottom. I'm gonna let it dry for 2 to 3 minutes, but I am going to run and get a lip gloss for you and be back. Okay, so I got a gloss. This is just our new satin matte gloss. It goes over your lip sense instead of gloss if you want, but I have worn it just by itself, and it is amazing. It's not going to last as long as lip sense would, but it still like keeps our lip gloss our lip sense lip gloss, can't even talk right, it has shea butter and vitamin E, which like hydrates your lips and keeps them moisturized like throughout the day. It's not gonna last as long as lip sense would, but now I'm putting our waterproof lash mascara on, and I'm ready to go out the door. Okay, and then I'm gonna put on some white or like a inner shade, and actually I'm gonna do my brows. Hold on. Okay, sorry about that. I'm going to use Pink Opal Shimmer. This is an oldie but goodie. And I'm just going to add it to the inner corners of my eyes. And voila. So simple, so easy. This, is my everyday look. Sometimes I might go back in with this brow thing and just add more brow stuff because I have vitiligo and I have white hairs in my brows. So it's just kind of my thing. But that is my everyday look. I will put a link down below excuse me, can't even talk right this morning. If you need to be color matched, don't hesitate to ask. That's what I'm here for. If you would love to support me and support my page, spending $100 and clicking that link helps me out a ton because it helps bring so I can bring new products to you, things that I run out of, things that are new. Yeah, I'm gonna do a little video talk about all that stuff, how you can support me and stuff like that. So, please like this video and please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to ring the bell before you leave. And thanks for watching.